Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video, we are going to learn minor of an element and cofactor of an element of 2 by 2 as well as 3 by 3 matrices. See, let us consider 2 by 2 matrix. What is the general form of 2 by 2 matrix? So, A equal to Aij 2 cross 2. That means here Aij represents ith row, jth column element in the matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means 2 rows and 2 columns it contains. So we can write it as 2 rows, 2 columns, no? So first row, first I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 if you write A11, that means first row, first column element. Next, if you write A12, first row, second column element. Next, A21, second row, first column element. A22, second row, second column element. I hope everyone understands, dear students. Okay. In this matrix, how to find minor of an element and cofactor of an element. Minor of an element. So for the element A11, minor of A11, you have to do that. A11 meaning is what? First row, first column element. You have to eliminate first row, first column. What element is remaining? That element is called minor of that element. So minor of A11 is, according to this, A22. Can you tell what is minor of A12? Minor of A12 is, see, we are eliminating this row and this column. Here A21 is minor of an element. Similarly, minor of A21 is, that means second row, first column element. If you remove this one and this one, this is the remaining, A12 is remaining. So A12. The minor of A22 is, that means second row, we are eliminating this row and this column, remaining is A11. Okay. I hope everyone understand. So based on this, we will calculate either for this question or this question. Suppose if I explain this one, it is what it is? Homework. If I explain this one, this is the homework. I am explaining this one. So minor of an element 2 is, see, we are eliminating this column and this row, remaining is 3 only, no? Is 3. Minor of an element so this row and this row and this column, if you eliminate, remaining is 0. Next, minor of, it is denoted by, you remember your students, M11, minor of 11, minor of 12, minor of 21, minor of 22. Okay? Here also minor of 0. So we are eliminating this row and this column. Minus 4 is minor. Next, minor of 3 is, so this column and this row, if you eliminate, 0 will be there, no? 0 is minor of this element. Okay? This also we will do it. This is not a matter. Minor of an element A is So we are eliminating this column as well as this row. Remaining is D. This is called a minor of an element A. Next, minor of an element C is. So we are eliminating this column and this row. Remaining is B. So minor of an element B is. So we are eliminating this row and this column. C will be there, no? Remaining. Next, minor of D is, we are eliminating this column and this row. B will be minor. I hope everyone understand. I want to give as homework, but I did here. I hope everyone understand, dear students. This is the way we can do it. Okay, minor and cofactor. After knowing the concept of minor of an element, cofactor of an element. See, cofactor means cofactor of an element A11, which is equal to, cofactor is, minor is multiplied. Minor of this element is denoted by what? M11. It is multiplying with minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. Here, generally, cofactor, here I am writing cofactor of Aij is equal to minor of an element Mij multiplied with minus 1 whole power I plus j. I hope everyone understand this, students. So this is the way we can do it. So cofactor of an element A11 means what? M11 value. Here only I will finish it. So cofactor of an element 2 is. 2 is, which element it is? First row, first column only, no? So which is multiplying. This value is 3 into minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. It is nothing but 3 into 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, students, better to write here plus, minus, minus, plus. Cofactor of an element minus 4 is. Cofactor of minus 4 is. So for minus 4, 0 is the 0 into minus 1 whole power 1, 2. So 1 plus 2. 0 into anything is 0, no need of worrying. Cofactor of 0 is minus 4 into minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1. So minus 1 whole power odd number means minus will come, minus into minus plus. At last, cofactor of 3 is, for cofactor 3 is answer 0, no? 0 into minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2. So 0 into anything is 0. I hope everyone understand. This is the basic formula, dear students, for cofactor. So like this you can calculate all. If you are remembering for first 2 by 2 matrix means, here this element is A11, A12, A21, A22. So 1 plus 1 even number means it comes minus 1 whole power, it is plus, it is minus, even it is also minus, it is also plus. So minor of an element A is plus into, for A what is the minor here? D, no? So plus D will come. Next, minor of C is, for C minus B. So minus is there, no? Before you can write it as minus B. Not minus, sorry, very sorry. Cofactor. Next, cofactor of B element. So cofactor of B is what? Before that, minor of B multiplying with minus. So minor of B is what? C. Multiplying with minus now. Why? Because 2 plus 1. Minus 1 all power 2 plus 1 is minus. Next, cofactor of D is. Cofactor of D is first minor of D is B, no? Multiplying with plus. So these are the cofactors. These are the minors of this matrix. I hope everyone understand. Among these two, one of the question I am going to explain minor as well as for this question I am going to explain for the second question. I am writing the solution for second one. Before going to do that, A11, A22, A23. So this one minus I am calculating. Minor of an element 1. A11 is equal to 1 is, see, we are eliminating first row, first column, 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Like this way you can do these students. 10 minus of minus 1, 11. Minor of A12 is, see, we are eliminating second column and first row, 3 minus 1, 0, 2, which is equal to 6 minus 0. Next, minor of A13, 4 is, we are eliminating this column and this row, 3, 5, 0, 1. So this one is 3. Next, minor of an element A21. A21 means what? Second row, first column is. So we are eliminating second row and first column. 0, 4, 1, 2 is the remaining. So 0 minus 4. I hope you understand. Next, minor of an element A22. A22 means what? Second row, second column element is 5 is. We are eliminating second row and second column. 1402 is the remaining. 1402. So if you find out the determinant, it becomes as 2 now. Next, A21. Minor of A23, sorry. A23 means second row, third column, minus 1 is. So we are eliminating this second row as well as third column, 1001 will be there. So whose determinant is 1? More 3, we need to write it. Here only we will finish it. Minor of A31. A31 means third row, first column, 0 is determinant I am finding. So we are eliminating third row and first column, 0, 4, 5 minus 1. 0, 4, 5 minus 1. 0 minus 20. Next, minor of A32. That is 1 is the determinant. Are you able to see? Otherwise, I will write it here. A32. This one A32. We are eliminating this column and this row. 1, 4, 3 minus 1. 1, 4, 3 minus 1. So minus 1, minus 12, minus 13. I'll try to finish here only. Is it possible to see or not? No, it's not completely, it is not able to see. Here only I will write it. Minor of A33 is equal to A33 means third row, third column element 2 is. So we are eliminating third column and third row 1035. If you find out the determinant, it will become as 5. Okay. After finding minors, what is the definition of cofactors of this one? Cofactor is minor multiplying with minus 1 whole power I plus j. I already given for the 2 by 2 matrix the logic plus minus minus plus when 4 elements are there. When 9 elements are there, you can plan it, dear students. Here 1 is there, no, minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1. So it will be plus only, it will be minus, it will be plus. It will be simultaneously minus plus, it changes. After plus it will becomes what? Here second row first column. It will be minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be plus, it will be minus, it will be plus. So cofactor immediately, that implies cofactor of A11 is equal to, here symbol is plus, multiplying with M11, this is called M11, dear students. So 11 plus 11. Next, cofactor of A12, here symbol is minus, minus, for this 6. Next, cofactor of A13, first row, third column. So for this element 4, 3, no, here plus is there, so plus 4. Here symbol is very important, dear students, minus or plus. Next, cofactor of A21, second row, first column element. Here this is minus, no, so minus. This answer is what? Minus 4. Already minus is there. It will be plus 4, dear students. Next, cofactor of A22 is equal to, A22 means here plus is there. So what answer A22 it is 2. Next, cofactor of A23, second row, third column. A23 means this one. Here minus is there already. And A23 minus is what? 1 we are getting here. So answer is minus 1 here. Next, cofactor of A31. Cofactor of A31, which is equal to, A31 means third row, first column. It's a positive, so plus. And A31, the answer is here minus 20. So ultimately minus 20 is our answer here, cofactor. Next, cofactor of A32. It is even, here minus. A32 means third row, second column, minus. And the minor is minus 13. So minus into minus is plus 13. Next, A33. Here only I will finish it. Cofactor of A33 is equal to, A33 is positive now, so plus 5. This is the way we can calculate minus and cofactor of an element of the determinant. Sometimes instead of determinant, they may give matrix also, dear students. This is the way you can calculate. I hope everyone understand. We'll move to another question. using cofactors of elements of second row. Evaluate delta equal to 538 201 123. So question number 4, using cofactors of elements of third column evaluate delta equal to 1x yz 1yzx 1zxy. Using cofactors of elements of second row. So for second row means for 2 cofactor you can calculate. For 0 cofactor, the sum of elements of cofactors of second row is equal to determinant of this one only. So cofactors of elements of second row. Before going to calculate cofactors, m second row means it starts from 2 1, m21, m22, m23, calculate these students first. m21 means second row eliminate, first column eliminate, 3 8 2 3 will come. 3 8 2 3. So 9 minus 16, which is equal to minus 7. Next m22, second row, second column, eliminate, 5 8 1 3, which is equal to 15 minus 8, which is equal to 7. Next m23, m23 means what? Second row, third column, you have to eliminate. 5 3 1 2 will come. 5 3 1 2, which is equal to 10 minus 3, which is equal to 7. Are you all with me, dear students? Next, cofactors calculate. Cofactors. Cofactor of m21 is equal to, m21 means minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 into m21. Are you all with me, dear students? So, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 whole power 3 is minus. m21 value is what? Minus 7. Next, cofactors of m22 is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 2 m22. So minus 1 whole power 4 is positive. m22 value is 7. Next, cofactor of m23, second row, third column, minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 into m23. So minus 7. So minus into minus plus 7 over here. So why they are asking to find using cofactors of elements second row, evaluate delta means the determinant of delta is equal to cofactors. So m21 cofactors. Cofactor of M21 plus cofactor of M22 plus cofactor of M23. Just you have to add, you will get the determinant, students. What is cofactor of M21? 7. Minus into minus 7 plus 7. Next cofactor of M22 is plus 7. Cofactor of M23 is minus 7. So therefore, the determinant, even if you follow the regular method also, you will get the same answer. We will verify whether it is correct or not. In the regular method, we will follow like this now, plus minus plus. So 5 into 0 minus 2, minus 3 into 6 minus 1, plus 8 into 4 minus 0. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 into minus 3, minus 15, plus 8 into 4, 32. Minus 25 plus 32, is it equal to 7 or not? So in any way if you go, you will get the answer is same, dear students. But according to the question, you have to give the answer. Using cofactors of elements of second row. This is the way we can. Here, using cofactors of elements of third column. Third column means what? This is the third column. For these column elements, third column elements, you need to calculate minus as well as cofactors. After finding cofactors of the particular column, you can add all these, you will get it answer. Now, this is the third column now. Third column means what? This is A11, A12, A13. So, M13. Next, M23 will come here. Why? Because 21, 22, 23. M23. Next, M33. First find out the M13 means first row, third column. We are eliminating. So what is the determinant? So 1y, 1z. That means z minus y. Similarly, M23. M23 means what? We are eliminating second row and third column. So we are eliminating second row, third column. 1x, 1z. 1x, 1z. That means z minus x. Next, M33, eliminating third row and third column, third row. 1x, 1y. So, which is equal to y minus x. After that, what we need to calculate? Cofactors of respective minus. That implies cofactor of M13, that is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 even number, no even number minus 1 into M13, that is equal to, this is anyway plus, M13 value is what? Z minus y. Next, M23. Cofactors of M23, which is equal to minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 M23. So it is the odd number, no, minus z minus x. So it will be x minus z. Next, the cofactor of M33, which is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 3 M33. So minus, it will be plus only. M33 means y minus x. So y minus x. After that, we can add all these cofactor of M13. Anyway, it is a minus, sorry, minus plus minus, plus minus plus, minus plus minus will come here. I already done here. Plus minus plus. Therefore, delta equal to now 1 minute, dear students. Yeah, dear students, even here also cofactors which are multiplied with these elements. So second row it is mentioned, no, I forgot to write 2 times of cofactors and 0 times of cofactors and 1 time of cofactor. So 2 times of 7, 0 times of 7 and next 1 time of 7. So it will be 14 plus 0 minus 7. The answer cannot be changed, but the way of doing is this one. 2 times of cofactors, 0 times of according to second row they mentioned, no. Here also third column they mentioned delta equal to third column elements are what? Yz into cofactor of M13, next plus Zx, here already minus I have taken now, plus Zx into cofactor of M23, next xy into cofactor of M33. So yz into z minus y plus zx into x minus z plus xy into y minus x, z square y minus y square z plus x square z minus z square x plus xy square minus x square y. So wherever first x square terms are there, we can y square terms are there, z square terms are there, which is equal to first x square terms x square into z minus y, next y square. Here 0 is not affected. It will be, suppose if you take minus here, what happens? So okay, from these two x square we are taking common, x minus z minus y, sorry, right. Next, from these two z square if you take out common, y minus x will be there, but we cannot take common anything here. Even from these two, y square, if we take out common from these two, x minus z will come. Y square, if we take out common, x minus z will come. But we cannot take out the. Suppose if it is minus, here minus, plus or minus, here it is minus, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, it is minus zx. Next term, plus, minus plus minus plus that term. So if you take minus, here it will be minus, here it is plus. Based on this, it changes now. From these two, zy, if we take out common, z square y minus y square z, y square. Any one of them is going to get cancelled, then only it comes. Easy that. We already multiplied here. Y minus yz minus z minus y plus zx square minus z square x plus xy square minus x square y. Slowly we can calculate, it is not easy. Yz z minus y plus here zx square is. So from x square, take out common, z minus y, here also z minus y, we got it now. Next, from these two also, if you take out common x, z square minus y square. Little twisted here students, we will find out. Yz into z minus y plus x square into z minus y plus x into z minus y into z plus y. Am I right? Throughout z minus y, I am taking common. So what is the rest of the things? Yz, z minus 1 means x square is remaining. Next here, plus z minus 1 remaining, x into z plus y. So z minus y, still here z minus y I have taken. Here also z minus y have taken, x plus into z. So yz plus x square plus zx plus xy. So z minus y, somewhere else we need to take from these two z, if we take out common, y plus x will come. From these two x, if we take out common, x plus y will come. So z minus y into x plus y into x plus z. here z minus y, here x square, if we take out common, z minus y only there. Here x take out common, y square minus z square, here only I wrote wrong. Y square minus z square, here is y square minus z square. See, x into minus z square x y square. That minus value will change. So here y minus z, y plus z anyway no problem, y plus z. Here y minus z is there, here z minus y is there. So here z minus y, if you want to write z minus y, if you take common, here minus will come. Here z minus yz we have taken, x square we have taken. Here minus will come. Right. This only minus getting trouble, dear students. So minus zx. See, very important concept. Minus zy. Now we will take common easily. From these two z, y minus x. From these two, here we cannot. Here x square we have taken out, z minus y. Here minus means minus x plus y means minus xz minus xy is. So if we take out common from these two z, y minus x. Here also y minus x I want. So minus x, if we take out common, y minus x will come. Now z minus x, z minus y into y minus x into z minus x. See how it is. One minus will change your total answer. Here I am getting trouble from here onwards. So if you write in the order x minus y, here I am minus taking common, y minus x. Y minus z means here also minus into minus plus. Next z minus x. This is our final answer, dear students. Okay, anyway we got it. One more question is there. That is exercise 4.3, last question. That we will finish it. In the next class, we will go for 4.4. Why? Because I didn't expect to take this much time. Why? Because here minus getting problem for this. That is the reason most of the science lecturers are saying while solving problems, be aware with minus or plus symbols. It's very important. Question number 5. If delta equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and Aij is cofactors of small aij, then the value of delta is, options are provided, dear students. A11 capital A11, A31, A12 capital A32, A13 capital A33. Third option, A21, A11, A22, A12, A23, A13, A11 capital A11, A21 capital A21, A31 capital A31. So capital A is the cofactors of Aij, they are saying, dear students. So with respect to row 1 I am taking, so plus, minus, plus. I want to calculate the cofactors of A11, A12, A13. That I am going to calculate. See, for cofactors, before going to calculate cofactors, minors are important. No? So minor of A11 is equal to, better to turn this side, it will be easy. So eliminating this row and this column, A22, A23, A32, A33. Next, immediately cofactor also calculate, no? Cofactor of, for A11 cofactor is what? A11 is capital A11, they are saying. Okay. Capital A11 means this only. Before that, what I am going to write is, here plus symbol is there, so we can write it. Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 and the determinant. This determinant is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 is plus only. This value I am taking as capital A11. According to that, Aij means here, capital Aij is the cofactor of this one. So for this element, cofactor is capital A11. Next, minor of A12. A12 means eliminating this row and this column. A21, A23, A31, A33. So cofactor of A12 is minus 1 whole power 1 plus 2, A21, A23, A31, A33. After simplifying, this minus also will include, you can get it as A12, capital A12, dear students. Why I am not writing minus is, after simplifying this AD minus BC, this value multiplying by minus, you will get this answer. Keep in mind, dear students. Minor of A13, that is equal to, eliminating this column and this row, A21, A22, A31, A32. So cofactor of A13 is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3 and the determinant of this one, A21, A22, A31, A32. So minus 1 whole power, it is plus only, obviously A13. So what is the definition of determinant? The elements which are in the first row multiply with their cofactors. So A11, what is cofactor of A11? Capital A11. Plus A12, what is cofactor of A12? Capital A12. Plus A13, capital A13. Where it will be? According to this, it is given answer. A11 will be here. A12, A21 is there here. No. A13, A31 is there. It is not correct. Whatever the symbols are same, that only it comes. But this answer is also correct. According to the options, if you go like this, A11, A21, A31, it will be there here. So, based on that, you can go. A21 means this value will change. Even this is also correct answer, dear students. This is also correct answer. Don't worry about it. But according to the options, if you want to go, calculate, I already A11 calculated, A22. Minor of A22 is A21 is equal to, eliminating this row and this column, A12, A13, A32, A33 will come. That implies cofactor of A21 is minus 1 whole power 2 plus 1 and det A12, A13, A32, A33, that is equal to A21. For A21, A21. Next, last one, A31, minor of A31 is equal to, eliminating this row and this column, A12, A13, A22, A23. That implies cofactor. Cofactor of, they did not mention with respect to first row, with respect to first column, they did not mention. But according to the options, if you see A11, A21, A31 means it will be according to the first column only. So A31 is equal to minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 and the determinant of A12, A13, A22, A23. Okay. So minus 1 whole power 3 plus 1 is plus only. Even here also minus will come, minus will include in this determinant. It comes as A31. So therefore determinant is equal to the elements which are present in the first column multiplying with their respective cofactors. So A11 into capital A11, we got it here. Next, A21 corresponding cofactor A21 capital, A31 corresponding cofactor capital A31. This option is there in the fourth option, dear students. That is the reason we are, even this is also correct answer, even this is also correct answer. This is correct answer according to first column. With respect to first column, this answer is right. This is with respect to first row, it will be correct answer. Both answers are right. Thank you, dear students, for support. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video, 4.4, we will start in that. Thank you all. Jai Hind. Exam side mathematics by Pani.